Hey, Scotty.
Good morning, everybody.
Don't put that on yet. 1 Swedish made penis enlarger.
80 PSI, Doc. I can take it.
Oh, God. Anyway, Mr. Muskrat.
Good morning, guys. Muskrat and
Furball.
Furball. So, I love our new shirts, so we'll be a little more uniformed like we need to be. But
I'm only wearing one on
now,
camera.
Bobby's, hold on. Turn around.
It says I'm a host.
Since it is his company, is CEO, and he's just fabulous this morning. He's modeling his new fall lineup. And
Madonna. I actually love that movie.
Unfortunately, they messed up mine.
Yeah, you're the shop manager, right? Oh, no, he's the ship manager. Well, you go down on the ship, from what I hear. That's extra. Wait,
That's
before you
always
put
extra.
your penis enlarger pump on John's radio.
Only if it's a Swedish made one.
No. Look how crusty it is in there, Mr. Scotty.
Ooh, yeah, that is. Oh God, that is nasty as shit.
I would definitely like to take this to Gary at Bob's Radiator at some point.
Yep.
Which I actually have a whole shit.
I
ton
don't
of
even know
take
if
it.
we could do an acid treatment to this to clean it up.
We take it to Gary. He recores it. It's done. He puts a high efficiency core in it. It looks stock. It runs nice and cool, and it solves all the problems. So.
Okay, so
We just go
like I
around all
was
that
saying, we're gonna go to
nonsense.
Gary.
So we can see. Nick pointed out that there has been some coolant leaks. You can see it everywhere.
Yeah.
Let's top this off so it's full, and then you can use. Now you're just putting some water in it. Wah wah. Scotty, pour a little faster. This is boring. I know you're not trying to make a mess, but you always make a mess.
No, I never made a mess a day in my life. What? I don't know what you're talking about.
You swallowed the evidence. Fifth! I plead the fifth. Scotty pleads the fifth. Ooh, rainy.
Good God.
You know I have to drop a deuce after this. This is taking a while.
Thanks for sharing.
Well, I've been holding it. I'm just trying to get this video done.
Okay, you either get children that way if you hold it, or you get.
What?
Huh? What?
Anyway, let's pump up the jams. Pump it up.
Pump it up.
Beats are. I think it's the beats are pumping. Hold on, let me see if we can get that.
I know.
I know, but I'm gonna double check.
They taught me that back in the one-room schoolhouse days with a hammer and a chisel.
You made the 15 commandments. Pump it, big boy. At a 16-pound cap. So let's just go to 16. You're on. Pump. Oh, yeah? You're gonna have to pump the shit out of it. Yeah, Daddy! Oh! You can keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're only at like 13. You're getting to 15. Keep going. Oh, there's pressure in them there lines.
Yep, there we go. We are at 15 on the nose. We'll let this sit for a little bit.
But you can see the staining.
Oh, yeah.
Or it's been leaking here. Oh, yeah, it's starting to get wet already.
Okay, so we know we've got some gasket issues. Could probably use some new clamps.
Yeah,
to be on the safe
thermostat
side.
housing for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Look at, there's actual spray on the belt.
Yep.
From the coolant. I wish someone could shut that fucking airplane up.
We're trying to talk here. Just make it go away, all right? Just bye-bye.
Alright.
You should have filmed that, okay? It's all about me and what I do, not this, okay? I'm up here, darling.
Oh my God. This guy. This girl. Alright, so.
It seems to be holding pressure pretty good.
Let me look at the gauge, because you were right at 15.
I put it right at the edge of 15 and 14, literally.
It's at 14 on the nose. Or a little under.
Let me see. Nope, we're losing pressure because that
We're
was
losing
higher.
a little bit of pressure.
Now it's nothing major. Good morning, sir. Good morning, how you doing? Good, how are you? Okay, so we've got a little bit of electrical to do because this is
You have a lot of bit of electrical to do.
This is not supposed to be like this because this is tied into the blower motor.
Oh, it's Monday. Oh, that's cute.
Okay, so this goes to the blower motor.
I think Nick might have covered this. I'm not sure, but I haven't watched his videos yet.
And
Like, he
then-
did it Friday, and we haven't gotten this far yet.
The horn is completely broken, but I'm kind of curious why you have a relay for a horn.
That's not the factory horn relay, you mean?
When did a horn have a relay?
Horns always have relays.
I've never seen a relay on a horn a day in my life.
Scotty,
But I'm bumped.
you're high. But, yeah, that's not the right relay for that.
We've got extra wires ran over to here, to here, to here.
That's the coil wiring. That seems sort of okay. Morning!
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'll put that jack to charge so I can get it out of there.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Which one?
You went, found it. Oh yeah, around this here hose. Just for fun, let's tighten this and see if it stops. Because if not, then that means that tank's bad.
Yep.
But Gary can fix that. We got a guy. You'll be right back? Are you sure? Oh, what'd you just say?
Huh? What?
Who? His ship manager. Yeah, let's just see if he can get some more out of it and we'll stop it. Oh, we're still percolating. Here, pump her back up again.
Where are we at?
13. Pump it back up to 15 where you were. Keep going. Pump it, Eddie, pump it. One more.
No, right on the line. That's why I've got a line of demarcation to go by.
Okay. Okay, that seemed to have actually stopped that.
Okay.
So, all right. Well, that's a plus, but it still needs to be cleaned out and/or re-cored for sure. And we know we have our leak down here. Oh yeah, look, it's getting wetter and wetter. It's a slow leak, but there it is. All right. Fun, Scotty. Fun.